Men aren't made for monogamy. Well, okay, this is going to get me in hot water, but based purely on our biological design, if you look at the size of men's testicles and compare them to other apes, then that would suggest that we're actually meant to be not quite monogamous, because chimps have huge testicles. They weigh about 100 grams, and they are really very polygamous, and they need the extra sperm to literally flush out their rivals' deposits. If you look at gibbons, on the other hand, they have small testicles, and they are monogamous, and they spend their whole lives with a nice female gibbon and sit in the trees and eat fruit and a few insects. And humans are kind of somewhere in between, which would suggest that purely on biological design, we're not quite meant to be monogamous. And that's also reinforced by the relative size of men's and women's bodies. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean you have a free license to do whatever you want, because as humans we also have the ability to resist our biological design. If we see sugar, we can sometimes walk past it and not gorge on it the whole time. We might choose to eat a diet that's different to how our teeth are designed. We might choose not to have children, which would go against all kind of biological norms. But it is, I guess, worth bearing in mind that if you do value monogamy, to some extent, you are fighting your biological design.